The 2026 Honda Forza 350 stands as a refined embodiment of Honda's premium maxi scooter philosophy, offering a sophisticated balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology for riders who demand more from their daily commute and long-distance journeys. The Forza name has long been synonymous with elegance and capability, and the 2026 model raises the bar with updated styling, enhanced ergonomics, and improved mechanical efficiency. Its sleek, aerodynamic bodywork is designed not only for visual appeal but also for superior wind protection, reducing fatigue on extended rides. The front end features a bold LED lighting system that integrates seamlessly with sharp, flowing lines along the body, giving the scooter a distinctively upscale presence. Every panel has been shaped with precision, delivering a modern yet timeless look that speaks to both practicality and style. Powering the Forza 350 is Honda's proven 330 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-valve engine equipped with the Smart Power Plus (ESP Plus) technology. This engine produces strong, linear power delivery that makes highway cruising effortless while still offering brisk acceleration for city riding. The refinements for 2026 include an optimized intake and exhaust setup, reducing internal friction for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency. Mated to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, the Forza 350 offers a seamless and quiet ride, perfectly suited for both urban traffic and long stretches of open road. Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, is standard, giving riders an extra layer of safety by regulating will slip on wet or slippery surfaces without sacrificing performance. Underpinning the scooter is a rigid steel tubular frame that provides stability and predictable handling. The suspension is tuned for comfort without compromising control, with telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks delivering a smooth ride over a variety of road conditions. The Forza 350 rolls on stylish 15-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels, wrapped in high-quality tires that offer a confident grip in both dry and wet environments. Braking performance is equally well-appointed, featuring a large front disc, rear disc, and dual-channel ABS for assured stopping power in emergency situations. The scooter's low center of gravity, coupled with precise steering geometry, allows for nimble maneuverability in tight city spaces while remaining rock-solid at higher speeds. The rider experience is a key highlight of the 2026 Forza 350. The seat is luxuriously padded and ergonomically contoured for all-day comfort, with a step design that ensures excellent visibility for both rider and passenger. The adjustable windscreen can be electronically raised or lowered to adapt to changing wind conditions, making long journeys significantly more comfortable. Storage capacity is generous, with an under-seat compartment capable of holding 2 helmets and additional small items, along with a glove box that includes a USB charging port for mobile devices. The cockpit is dominated by a sharp, full-color TFT display, now more intuitive and connected than ever. The updated Honda smartphone voice control system allows riders to seamlessly integrate calls, messages, navigation, and music without taking their hands off the handlebars. Practicality is matched by durability. The Forza 350's build quality is exceptional, with tight panel gaps, premium paint finishes, and robust switchgear that is designed to endure years of heavy use. Every component feels solid and refined, from the action of the brake levers to the operation of the windscreen. For 2026, Honda has also introduced subtle chassis and suspension tweaks to further improve ride stability and reduce vibrations at higher speeds, making the scooter feel more planted and composed.